Hey guys, welcome back to another week's episode. Today we're basically just gonna paint up the undercarriage of the trailer. So what we're gonna use is the chassis black paint. So basically this is for the corrosion and chip resistant as well. So I reckon it's gonna be good having that on the trailer, like the carriage and so on. So what we're gonna use is just a brush and some gloves just to make sure you don't get any paint on there, and just make sure you use some boxes or anything underneath just so it doesn't get spilled on the driveway. But anyway, let's get cracking on. Alright, so as you guys just saw, we quickly just welded the latch together because it was actually broken. So what we're going to do is we're just going to grind it, make it look neat, and then we'll be able to cover it with paint. But yeah, so far it's looking good underneath, everything is painted. We just still got to do the wheel arches over there, as you can see. But yeah, once that is done, we're all good to go. Okay, so just another thing, guys. So in a previous episode, I cleaned out all the gaps on the sides of the trailer. So just over there, as you can see, all of those rust that I scraped out of there. All we're gonna do is just use some Silka Flex from Super Cheap Auto. So you're just gonna put that in the gaps just to make sure it doesn't rust again, and just to fill up the gaps, I guess. Because over here. Here's a good example. So that's what it should look like, and that's what it looks like now. So after the Silka Flex in there, it's going to look like that. Awesome, guys. Well, I'm finally done with the undercarriage of the trailer. It came out looking super good. As you can see, that's what it looks like. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. If you're wondering how much paint I used of the chassis black paint, it's only about half a bottle. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the floor on the inside of the box as well, just so that's nice and protected. I'm not going to show you guys that today because then the video is going to be way too long. But yeah, that's to wrap up today. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to put Raptor liner on there, but that will definitely be in the next episode. I'm so excited. But yeah, it's looking so good. It's looking like a new trailer. halfway. But yeah guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, tap that bell icon to be notified when the next episode drops. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one.